In the Contact Mailing section on Fashion Management, you can use our constructor to create event, invitation, or any other type of email and send an unlimited number of emails to your contact list and the people and companies who are not in your contacts. You also have opportunity to track statistic emails sent, how many recipients received emails and how many opened and viewed. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Click on the Contacts button on Menu tab. Click the Contact Mailing button. Click the Create Mailing button to start composing and sending the desired visual email. Enter the desired title of the mailing in the subject line. In the second field, enter the name of the email you want to reach and be seen by the recipients. In the third field, enter the email address you want the email to be returned to if the recipient replies to your email. The email address can be the same as the one you sent it to or a different one. In the fourth field, enter the email address you want the email to be sent to your recipients. In the fifth field, enter any internal notes, if desired. This field is not required. All required fields are marked with asterisk. If you wish, you have the option to attach the desired file. To upload a file, click the Browse button. Select the desired file from your device and click the Open button. The file you uploaded will appear in the field below, from where you can also delete it. To set the desired email design and move to the next field, click the Next button. In the Fashion Management Mailing Builder, you have the opportunity to easily build and create professional emails. The builder has a simple menu with content tools, blocks, and a body. To start moving blocks, click on the Add Row button. To add an email header, drag the heading block into the content field. To make a correction, select it and use the tools to change its position, size, font, and other settings. To add a photo, drag the Image button to the block. To add a photo to a block, select the block and click the Upload Photo button. Select the desired file from your device and click the Open button. To add a button to the content, drag a block into the field. Select the button. Edit the button text if desired. You have the option to paste your desired link on the button. To add a link, copy and paste your link into the appropriate field. To change the color of the button, click the color picker and select the desired color from the palette. To add text to fields, drag a block of text into the field. Select the text field and make the desired changes using the edit fields. If you want to add social networks, drag the social network block into the field. Check the Social Networks box and add the desired social networks from the list. Select the desired social network and paste the link into the field. Fashion Management Email Builder gives you many options to build the design and format you want. When you're done, click Next. On the Recipients page, you can add recipients' email addresses from your contacts list, as well as add email addresses that are not in your contacts. To add email addresses, click the Add Email Addresses button. To add an email, click the Add Email button. Enter the recipient's email address in the field. The number of emails is not limited. Click the OK button to confirm. Information about adding email recipients is displayed in the upper middle of the screen. To add emails from your contacts list, click the Add from Contacts button. To add an email, click the ADD button. If a contact does not have an email address, it will be marked with a special yellow warning sign. Click the Add button. On the message, this contact doesn't have an email. Want to add one now? Click the Yes button. Enter this contact's email in the field and click the OK button. Click the Add button. Information about adding email recipients is displayed in the upper middle of the screen. You can add all added emails at once using the Add All Email button. To close the contact list window, click the X button. To remove an added email from the list, click the Remove button. Click the Yes button to confirm. You can search in the email list using the quick filter. Type any word you want to search for in the filter field and only emails that match that word will be displayed in the list. To go to the email sending page, click the Next button. Before sending, you can see a sample of the email you have created. Also, if you want to make changes before sending, you can go back by clicking the Back button. You have the option to send emails instantly or on a scheduled date. To send a scheduled emails, click the Schedule button. Select the time from the calendar and clock when you want your email to be sent to your recipients. Click the Send button. Click the Send button to instantly send the email to your recipients. After sending emails, you have the opportunity to see how many recipients the email you sent reached, and you also have the opportunity to see how many opened and read the email you sent. To view detailed statistics, click the Select button. Click the View Details button. The first statistic shows what percentage of people received the email you sent. The first statistic shows what percentage of people received the email you sent. There is also a delivery response field for each recipient, which shows the current status of the email, whether it has been sent, received, read, or not reached the recipient. You can search in the email list using the quick filter. Type any word you want to search for in the filter field and only emails that match that word will be displayed in the list. Select from the drop-down menu how many emails should appear on one page. Click the X button to close the window.